How artificial intelligence might affect your job in the future. Well, let's dive into this fascinating topic. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming increasingly influential in our world, reshaping industries and redefining roles. From self-driving cars to voice assistants, AI is everywhere, and it's changing the way we live and work. Now, when we talk about AI and jobs, we're looking at two main categories: jobs that are likely to be replaced by AI and those that aren't. On one hand, we've got roles like telemarketers, bookkeeping clerks, and receptionists, where AI can automate repetitive tasks. On the other hand, there are jobs like event planning, writing, and software development, where the human touch is irreplaceable. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate jobs, but to evolve them. As the adage goes, change is the only constant. Let's delve into what jobs might be on the chopping block. The future might not be so bright for some jobs as AI continues to advance. With its ability to automate tasks, learn patterns, and even interact with humans, AI is setting its sights on various industries. Imagine a world where telemarketers are replaced by AI-powered systems that never tire, or where bookkeeping clerks have handed over their calculators to algorithms that don't miss a single digit. Compensation and benefits managers might find their roles shifting as AI takes on more administrative tasks. Receptionists could see their friendly greetings replicated by AI assistants. Couriers could be replaced by drones, while proofreaders might find AI spotting errors they'd miss. Computer support specialists, market research analysts, advertising salespeople, and retail salespeople, too, could see their roles diminishing as AI grows more sophisticated. While this might sound alarming, it's important to remember that not all jobs are in danger. Some roles are irreplaceable. There's no need to panic. Many job roles will continue to thrive despite the rise of AI. While it's true that artificial intelligence is taking over some sectors, there are many jobs that are irreplaceable by AI. Human resources managers, for example, are needed for their personal touch and understanding of human emotions, something an AI can't replicate. Sales and marketing managers bring a unique personal flair to their work that is tough to automate. Public relations managers, chief executives, and event planners also fall into this category, as they require a level of human intuition and creativity that is currently beyond the grasp of AI. The creative sector, too, remains safe. Writers, software developers, editors, and graphic designers all require a level of creativity and innovation that AI hasn't mastered yet. Their jobs involve creative problem-solving and the ability to produce original ideas, things that are inherently human. And the good news doesn't stop there. AI isn't just taking jobs away, it is also creating new ones. AI is not only about replacement, but it's also about creation. As we move into the age of artificial intelligence, new careers are sprouting up at an unprecedented pace. We're seeing roles like AI ethicists who ensure AI systems are designed and used responsibly, data detectives who decipher trends in massive datasets, and even AI trainers who teach AI systems to interact more humanely. But how does one prepare for such a future? The answer is simple: adaptability and continuous learning. As technology evolves, so too must our skill sets. Learning to code, understanding data analysis, or being able to work alongside AI could become as essential as reading and writing. Equally important is the development of uniquely human skills. Emotional intelligence, creativity, critical thinking, these are the skills that AI, as advanced as it may be, cannot replicate. In the face of AI, the key to success lies in our ability to adapt and learn. The future may be AI, but it is also undeniably human.